house of the devil. The blessings of the Lord make it rich.
I am going to call brother. Ozema will take us to the man of God that will pray for me.
Don't call you.
I should not call brother.
Don't call you.
But you know he warned us not to be going to all these prayers. And you know this one is a Catholic thing. He will allow us to go. It's our own church that is hosting the crusade.
Don't call you. Don't call you. Don't call you. Don't call you.
It's okay. Don't worry, don't cry again.
Don't call him. Don't call him.
I won't call him, okay? We'll go without letting him know. I know it will look like a surprise to him, okay?
People lust for money and power and the things of this world. There is nowhere they won't go. There is nothing they won't do. Looking for the blessings of God in the house of the devil.
It's okay, don't cry.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich and added no sorrow.
Mba. No. You better here. I mean, you didn't do well. You better here. At least you should have told guys that now what we are doing is a God thing. Then man, at least a chair. Now we can think it over before we and you police what we. Now you police somebody. What we need what we don't know.
Come on, relax. You want your?
No, mama.
You don't have to take it that way. Okay? Are you not happy you have money now? Or don't you want to have more money? You don't have your house, cars. You cannot take good care of the family. Are you not happy?
Happy again? Happy where? Let me tell you. You see that money? I reject it. No! To hell with the money. No. If Ego is to kill my wife, to hell with it. See your car, you see your money, you see Anthony in the color, take everything. I will never kill my sunshine. God knows. Never.
Listen, guys. I can never be part of this. I never bargained for this. Come on. Why did you guys deceive us? This is wickedness. Huh? Oh, I see. The head both of you rendered to us was a ploy to make us join what we never planned for. It's not possible. Cut me out.
See, guys, you remind me of the way I felt when I was lured into this thing. You know, I didn't take it lightly. I didn't take it easy. So I expect you people to react this way. It's normal. But let me tell you something. Oh God, this is a man. Oh?
Oh God, this is my how? When? How? Scott here knows me. He knows me from my village. He knows the kind of family we are there. He knows how I suffered with my woman back then in the village that I found on. Now, he knows the father of that girl. He knows that this man will fight. Oh, he'll fight to the end of this whole thing. He will kill me. Eh? You see me there, again. No. Mamie.
Okay? Just relax. Pastor, stop making noise. This thing will happen in such a way nobody will know. Or even suspect you. Yes.
Oh, kill him.
See, we have our own ways of handling things. Okay? Have you ever asked me how I made my money? Did you go there before? Let me blow your mind. Till today, I'm still sleeping with my mother.
Hey!
And maybe a zibo. Hello, man.
You are suffering from mental neurosis, nonsense and negligent. I'm going to get you.
Mental neurosis for more money.
Fear! Alumel.
See, you don't even know my own story. My mother suffered just for me to be stable in business. She would do farm work, she would sell this, she would sell that. My mother suffered. Even my own sister, her school fees, she gave it to me. Nandi Ataofo. Believe me. And then I vowed that the moment I make money, I was going to take care of them. They would never lack anything. And then I was lured into this thing. You know what they told me? My own sacrifice. I should never give my people any money. So my people, one kobo from me, they cannot get it. Really weird.
So why are you making the money? For who?
Your mother and your sister, everybody is suffering in the village. You're here acting billionaire. You're not acting billionaire. Why they are suffering?
I can only give to outsiders, not to my own.
You don't even think that God from you. No.
I don't want that kind of money. Hope you're right, need more money.
Your own is even the worst. His own is even the worst. How can somebody never knew you?
Guy, drink up.
No, see, I can drink because I've made up my mind that I'm not going to kill my wife.
I'm not drinking. No. I don't want to join, I don't want to drink.
So long as I'm not killing my wife. But I'll come and warn him, can't wait for him.
Listen to me. Bottom line. Listen. I understand the way you feel. Huh? I understand the way you feel, but bottom line is this. Nobody ever wants to live in poverty. Or if you've tasted riches and go back to poverty. Nobody. Huh? People, drink. Okay, the same man.
Richard, there is no condition. Me, I'm not drinking. I challenge you. If you want to drink, if you want to drink. I don't want to make money. I'm not drinking.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Onyinye ekwensu etisi bia welisi, gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
Okay, Mom. Where are you coming from?
I'm from the market.
Ah, Mama. Look at Amaka. Ma.
Hey, I heard you have started schooling,
yes,
and you didn't tell me. Why?
Mama, I'm sorry. It came urgent. I plan to tell you this time when I come back. I'm sorry.
Congrats.
Congrats,
Ma.
Thank you, Ma.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Chai. Now you will leave us alone in this village, eh?
No, Mama.
I will miss you.
Don't worry. I'll be coming to see you during weekends. Okay? You're welcome. Yes. I just came to take my things and go back fully. But trust me, I'll come and take care of you.
But make sure you read. Read very, very well. Don't go there and play. Oh. School is not easy. Oh. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what?
Do it. Mama, I miss you.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Onyinye ekwensu etisi bia welisi, gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the
Oh, Chimo. Hey! What have I done to myself? What did I bring myself into? Eh? God. Why me? Why me?
Obiara, what is it? Stop this. Stop it and be a man, okay?
See, you guys failed us. You guys did not try at all. See, at least you would have informed us down for us to think about it. Huh?
So what do you want to do? Huh? You want to go back to poverty? You want to go back to the life of being poor? Huh? No, tell me. You want to go back to the ghetto so that every day rich men will insult you. Is that what you want? No, tell me, is that what you want? And then calm down and enjoy riches. Enjoy yourself. I've told you people, there's a way we handle these things. You know, at first it looks bad, but somehow, let me even tell you people, look at me. A full-grown man like me, full-grown man. Every single day, every blessed day, I cry. You know why? Eh? You know why? Let me tell you why.
Here is the money. It's about 165,000 naira.
Mama?
I want you to add it to your business again. And let's see if there will be something different. Okay?
Mama, wait. Where did you get this money from?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What matters is that my own son needs it for his business to survive.
Brother, Mama sold all her clothes. Added to the one she got from the women's meeting. And the farm work she did.
Farm work?
Yes.
Mama, you did farm work? Hi. Oh no, Mama, no now. Which one is farm work and selling your clothes? You want to kill yourself? Will you go naked for my sake?
Yes, I will go naked for yourself.
Hi.
For you to make it.
No, Mama. Mama, you make me feel like crying. How will I pay you back for all these things you are doing? How?
Brother.
Yeah?
Hold on, I'm coming. Yeah, it's 65,000 naira. My school fee. Add to the one Mama gave you.
Your school fees?
Yes, brother.
Hey, no, you can't do this. You can't do this. You are in your 3rd year in school. You need to finish. No, I can't take it.
No, brother. You need this money for your business to grow. I'll work with Mama to see if I can raise some money to go back to school. Brother, it is a thing of joy if you make it in your business. Eh? At least our suffering will end once and for all. Even if I don't go back to school now, I know when you make it, I'll go back to school. So take it.
Richard, we love you. And we love you. And there is nothing we cannot do for you to survive. If it's easy for me to die, for you to make it in this life, I will put in my life to make sure you stand out like your mates. No? When you are rich, my suffering will be over. But this time, try your best. And we shall be praying for you. You know?
Yes. I know you'll make it this time.
Sir, please, sir. Can you help me and carry this bag on my head?
Huh?
Can you help me and leave this bag on my head, please, sir?
Hey, okay, where is my money? Where is my money? You are one of them. You are one of them. You are one of them. You will never repay my bag. They don't do my bag just now. Where is that girl? You are one of the people who leave now. You are one of them. Where is my money? Don't produce my money and go sit down. Where's my money?
Calm down. Calm down. I don't know what you're talking about.
Which one is it? You don't know what I'm talking about? What happened? I was just here. This is one girl. I don't know. And they just carried my whole money. All the money I had. They carried everything and took off. Hey.
Calm down. Calm down.
Hey.
And then of you crying, you don't have any cause to scream, okay? Okay, listen, let me tell you something. Allow me to come into your life. Kantiendo ge chaka. Keno doma neko yo. You understand? Let me come into your life. I can turn your tears into money. Is that okay? You know what? Let us get into the car. Drive to somewhere. Sit down and talk. You never can tell. Our discussion can yield something positive. What about that? Come on, let's go.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich and added no sorrow. Onyinye kwensu etisi bia welisi.
Richard, take your walk.
You don't even understand what I'm passing through. Honestly, you don't understand. This thing is not a matter of take your wine. Even if I drink from now till the end of the world and I get drunk, after some time the drink will clear from my eyes, the effect will go. And the problem will still remain there. I'll face the music. And that problem is simple. How do I find the person who did this thing to me?
You won't find him. He has gone and gone forever. You see, this is what happened when you're still wandering in the land of the living dead, or better still, in the world of the poor. The best thing that can happen to you is when you are admitted in the world of the rich.
Who doesn't want to be rich? Eh? You think anybody likes being poor? Who doesn't want to be rich? Me, I've tried everything possible to make myself rich, all to no avail. This money that was taken from me is money my mother and my sister gave to me, and I know how they suffered to get this money. Now it's gone.
Then work hard. Work hard to pay them back. Work hard to wipe the tears away from your mother. Brace up and face the occasion. Why are you crying? Who do you expect to console you? Your mother or your sister? Take your drink.
Thank you for your words of encouragement. Forgive me, I'm being forward, but I just can't help it. He said we need to talk. How will this talk give me money? Huh?
Let us, if I decide to give a check worth of 10 million naira.
So that's it, guys. That's how I became rich overnight. I was having fun, enjoying myself, until he took me to the church and he told me my own sacrifice, that no matter what I do, I cannot give my people more than 500 naira to use in 5 months or more. Anything more than that, I'm in trouble.
Hey, This is madness. This is wickedness.
Wickedness, the highest order, but what can I do? I thought about it. I just couldn't go back to my former life of poverty, misery. It's heartbreaking. I said, no, I just couldn't. Look at my poor mother. When I see my mother, I weep. My mother is suffering. She's sick, very sick. I have the money to help her, but I just can't. Look at my sister. My sister married a barrow pusher, all because of poverty. I'm telling you. Then look at me. If I want to go to the village, I have to use Okada. I need to change, and at my level, I wear fake, some dirty clothes just to go to the village. Yet I have a mansion here like this. I'm paying school fees for more than 15 girls in this town. I'm telling you, I blew money every day. I threw money around. I waste money. My people are not powerful. I can't give my people a dime. Seeing people who suffered for me in my blood.
Can't you give someone money to give to me?
I can't do. Even if I have to, it will not be more than 500 naira, which will last them for 5 months or more before I can give them again. If I try anything more than that, than the temple at Jabum, telling you.
Ocho. That is it, my guys. That is just it. And my mother did the same. My mother went to jail for my sake. Hope you already know what I'm talking about. Scott, what really happened? Okay, listen, let me tell you.
We know who is stronger. Leave me. We know who is stronger.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me.
You will give me what my late brother left for me.
Leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me. Chimo.
We will know who is stronger.
No. Leave me alone.
What my late brother left for me.
What is happening here? Hey, remember.
My late brother.
What is it? Stop it. What is it? What are you doing to my mother?
She will give me what my late brother has left behind.
Mama, what is it?
He wants to rape me.
It's my mom here. You want to download my mother? This man.
Breathing again.
Nonsense. What is that?
He's dead! See, I told you, he's dead.
He's not breathing again, no?
Yes. Go.
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 What have I done?
Let me take it from here.
I didn't mean to kill the man, no.
I know. Go. Go. Run up. Go.
Come on, let's go. Hey.
Take it from here. Go.
Hey.
You went to help Mama at the farm?
Yes, I went there. I saw Mazi trying to molest Mama. Out of anger, Buli with a body man.
Brother, you did what?
Not the Buli at all.
You shouldn't have done that. Did you not do it, brother? Why did you do it?
Shut up! It's on. Let's go. What are you doing here? Come. The youths are dragging your mother to the village square. That use of kissing man, Mazi, okay?
My mother!
Mama, what did you do?
We killed Mazi, okay? We are taking Mazi, okay, to his house. Then we are taking her to the Igwe. She must pay for it.
Yes.
Please. Allow her, let her talk to her children.
No.
Okay, you can talk to them now.
Please.
Don't waste time. Don't waste time.
Wait.
Is she running?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't say anything.
I'm not going to wait to body, man.
I told you. See what you do. Leave for the city this evening or first thing tomorrow morning. Take care of your brother, okay? Mama, who will be with me? Mama,
let's go. No. Please. Please. Not do this. People should not do this, please. Please.
No, Mama.
Straight. Killer, you must pay for it.
You must pay for it. Please. Take it easy. Take it easy. Mama, I thank God you're back. And I thank you very much for what you did for me. Okay? Thank you for accepting to be the killer. I don't know what my life would be by now.
Mama, thank you so much. Thank God it ended like this. If not that the children are rich, Mama shouldn't have gone to jail in the first place. But brother, it's a pity he died in the Mama, thank you so much.
Thank you,
It is the duty of every mother to stand for their children in any circumstance. I will give my life for you, my son. I will give my life for my children. You know, I told you as a widow that they will let me go. You know, as a widow, I told you as a widow that they will let me go free. But if you are the one, if you have accepted to be the murderer, who knows what would have happened? Is either you might have been dead by now or rot in jail. Thank God for the wisdom that came upon me that minute to accept being the killer that.
Mama, thank you.
I thank God.
Mama, I thank you once again. And I promise you from today, Mama, if I make money, you will never suffer again. In fact, from today, I will never allow you to suffer again.
I know what you can do.
Hey, what is this? I don't even know if it's because of this man that I killed that is making things hard for me. Hey, God, I'm in your hands, so please, Biko, Opanaka, you can know. Biko, hi. Waiter, please come. How much is my money?
1,000.
1,000? Wait, one bottle is how much? How can? For what? When? Where? Something that I used to drink inside town, 350. Why are people selling it 1,000 now?
Sir, your money is 1,000.
You mean for 500? One?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Your money is hard. Please change it.
Excuse me, sir. We don't accept found money here.
What do you mean? Do I look like Central Bank? Are you mad? Are you holding my shirt? What is it?
Change this money, sir. Please.
Why can't you look like if you don't, what's going on there? What's going on there? Okay.
Sir, can you imagine? He gave me bad money.
Sir, can you imagine though?
I finished taking drink that they are selling 350 inside town, and this girl is selling 500. I even managed to give her 1,000 and she's talking rubbish. I'll slap you. Leave my shirt. I'll slap this girl.
Calm down. Waiter, did you give him expired drink?
Yes. I didn't even finish the drink. I even remain some in the tumbler.
Waiter, give him back the money.
Come on, give it to me. Stupid girl.
Young man, do you want to take more drink?
So I've already taken like 2 bottles. So
it's okay. Come and join me and my new friend. So let's enjoy together.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
Jesus!
What is doing? Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
So guys, that is how I came to see myself in this level. Just like the day my friend saw me in the restaurant. You know, Neko, Neko. Anyway, that's aside. My mother that did all that for me, I turned her into an imbecile. Obiora, you know my mother now. Ijego. It's because of money. Ijego.
What a wicked word. What a wicked word. Eh? All because of money? Anyway, my own case is different. At least all they want me to do is just that. But should anything happen to my woman, her father would definitely know that my hands are involved. Did you know that that man chased me and my uncle with a double barrel? Oh, that's because of that girl loving me. That girl did everything. See, whatever I am today, that girl did it.
That is just so different.
Guy, calm down. Hear me? Said calm down. Everything is fixed somehow. At least now you've heard our story.
Huh? We just told you our story. Now you know how to face it. Whatever your wife did for you, it cannot be more than what Scott's mother did for him. Believe me. If not for Scott's mother, when Scott I can on a jail now, there. Believe me. You understand? So this is how it goes. Now you people know everything about this. If you decide you're not going to do it, get ready for a great showdown. My guys, with time, you get over this. Okay? Just with little time, you get over this. I don't want to go back on this anymore. There's a lot of women out there for you to get married to. A lot. Do you understand?
What have I gotten myself into? How am I going to handle this? Does it mean there is no more free help in this town?
There are a lot of food out there. A lot. Either you pay before you get it, or you get it before you pay. So,
Scott, give me that drink.
One day. Get my elbow.
Got it.
You want to drink?
I want my choice. I want my choice.
Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Onyinye ekwensu etisi bịa welisi. Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, eh? You'll be fine. Why didn't you call me?
I've been looking for my phone since you left. I actually thought you went out with it.
Why would I go out with your phone? Don't worry. I will get you another phone, okay?
Okay. If you promise to take me to the hospital, you haven't up till now. Just I don't want to die.
Maybe you will not die, okay? I'll call my doctor friend to come and administer some drug to you. Okay?
My phone's so cold. It's not in a cold room.
You will be fine. Come on, lie down. Lie down.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Onyinye ekwensu etisi bịa welisi. Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Gain the world, lose
Baby,
your
what is it? You don't look okay.
I'm fine. I'm just angry from my previous discourse.
At this stage in our lives, what possibly could bother you? We've got money. So what else? We should be happy now, okay? This is the time for us to be very happy. This is what we've always wanted, and here we are now. So, cheer up, okay? Talk to me. Fine. I made you dinner. I made you your special. Baby, cheer up. Isn't this my Obi again? Anyway, let me set the table.
Who lost for money and power and the things of this world? There is nowhere they won't go. There is nothing they won't do. Looking for the blessings of God in the house of the devil. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you want to eat?
Oh, no, I'm not hungry. I just came to check up on you to know if you're sleeping.
Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Let me go to my room and sleep.
Okay, good night. Sleep well.
Just like, not even a hug.
Hug.
When did you start demanding a hug from me?
Since we started living together. After all, we have money now. Are you not happy?
Of course I'm happy. But we haven't been hugging no matter how happy we are.
Alright, it's okay. Go back to sleep. I'm going to marry to sleep now. Good night.
When did my brother become so romantic? So money can just change man overnight.
Gain the world, lose your soul. People lost for money and power and the things of this world. There is nowhere they won't go, there is nothing they won't do. Looking for the blessings of God in the house of the devil.
Baby, your food is ready.
Baby, gain the world.
I said your food is ready.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich and added no sorrow.
Obim, what is it? You've been in this mood since you got back. Talk to me. What is it? Say it, please. Whatever it is, I am going to fight it with you.
Baby, nothing. Some guy I did business with disappeared with my money.
I'm sorry to hear that, but I know you too well. I know that something bigger than what you just told me bothers you. What is it, baby? You have to tell me that, please. Please, whatever it is, just say it. Please, just talk to me.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus.
Did you cheat on me? Just tell me. I can handle it.
No. Baby, you're part of me.
Yes, I'm part of you. I know that.
I should never lie to you. I should never lie to you.
Maybe you're beginning to scare me. Just say it and I will forgive you no matter what it is. I am going to stand by you.
Are you feeling pain, sir? What about you? Yeah? There's no cause for alarm. Sandra, nothing to worry about. You'll be fine, okay? You're welcome.
My able dog.
Score.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You see? You give her this. twice a day. Interval of 8 hours. Right?
Alright.
Yeah.
What about the discharge coming out from my body?
It's not something you should bother yourself about. The medicine I've given to him is going to sort all that. It will kill them all. Relax yourself, okay? Just catch enough rest, you'll be okay.
I'm afraid. I don't want to die, please.
No, don't talk like that. You're not going to die. Alright? I'm here for you. I'm your doc. I mean your family doctor. Alright. Come on. Got it all. Make sure she eats well, okay?
It's okay. I'm here for her.
And get enough rest. That's just it. It's not a problem.
So what, girl?
So relax yourself, okay? Put up this wonderful smile I used to see you. Alright then. Thank you, God bless you. I'll see you some other time.
Okay, bro.
My manchi.
I'll miss you.
Alright.
Dude. You'll be fine, okay?
The dog. That's my man. You've tried for me. You've done well. You can say that again. Why are we brothers? You see, just adhere to the instructions I gave to you as regards taking the drugs, as in administering the drugs to her. With time, it will circulate all over her body. And before you know it, boom, she dies.
You know that. You know that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I can't wait.
Scott.
Yes.
You have this ambition of wanting to make more money all the time.
Why not? I am going to hide her phone because I don't want her to communicate to anyone. Yes. Till I get the money I want from her.
That's a nice idea. You see, the drugs I gave to you will do all that. But how? With time, it's going to make her weak and she decays. And you wouldn't even want to keep her here again in your house. I'm telling you. And before you know it, you buy any fan, extra. Yeah, go.
Do you know why I like you?
He womb.
You know.
My man, you see, I have to run along. I have some other patients waiting for me. You know how it is now.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
My lord, you mean there's nothing that we can do, nothing can be done about this?
We've talked about it over and over again. You need to harden your heart. You don't need to be soft. You are not the first to do this. Neither will you be the last.
Okay. How are we going to handle this? Because there was no specification. He never specified anything to me.
It was not specified to you because the time has not come. All you need to do is to go and bring your wife. That is just a duty. Bring her here and leave the rest to us.
My lord, how on earth can I bring without people not being suspected? How do I do this?
Obiora, no one will suspect you. Go and ask us. His girlfriend is gradually going down. No one will suspect him, not even his girlfriend. Go and do what is expected of you.
That one? Why did you grab my hips like that?
Can somebody play with you? Eh? Can your brother play with you again? Is there anything wrong with your brother playing with you? Every time you're just getting angry,
When did it start? Eh? See, I don't understand you again,
no. Okay, sorry then. Sorry. Since I cannot play with you again, don't be angry.
Won't you eat?
No, not eating. Will you feed me? If you don't want to feed me, I don't want to eat your food. I want to go out and I'll come back very late. So don't even ask after me or bother about me.
No, so I should feed you? As a baby or what?
No. As daddy.
What has come over my brother? He grabbed me and I could even feel his manhood. Last night, he said I should hug him. Today, I should feed him. Who knows what he will tell me tomorrow?
Oh, the blessings of the Lord make it rich and added no sorrow.
More you find her?
I want him to take him to the hospital. If I'm not the pain I'm passing through.
What kind of medication do you want to take again? Is Amber not a doctor?
The doctor would... Didn't run any test on me. How will you know because of what was coming up for me? I feel this place is becoming so soft, as if we're going to decay.
You see, just relax, okay? I don't like someone that panics a lot. I've called a doctor for you. You're not going to the hospital to do anything again.
It's okay, it's just... I thought you would have run a test, you know, because of the mucus. Hey baby, before you promise to get... Just let me call my family and let them know I'm sick.
Am I not taking care of you? May I not? Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay?
Oga engineer, I don't understand you. What are you saying? You were meant to bring 2 trips of stones yesterday. I didn't see you. I'm supposed to be going back like right now. The workers, they need the stones. They need to work with the stones. Okay, I'll be waiting. You're coming now? Okay, thank you.
What is this?
Mama, I don't know. Whenever I come, I see blood. Your blood is coming out.
Hey! Did you eat anything? Can you feel it? Mama, I don't know. Hey! What is happening to my daughter?
The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow. Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
I want to see somebody who could take care of those issues.
Don't tell me you're still thinking about that guy's death. I've told you, you have to let go. You have to pull yourself together. He is dead and gone. Okay?
Okay.
Come back. So, I'm pregnant. Yes, you heard me.
You're pregnant?
I am pregnant.
Wow. Yeah, that's a good news.
Yes, baby.
Wow.
I've been throwing up since yesterday. Haven't you noticed?
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
I've seen the signs.
see, since you're pregnant, just a minute.
Okay.
Let me call the family doctor Amber. Huh? To fix everything concerning your... You know what? Get my food.
Okay.
Let me get you the toilet.
Alright. But before then, baby, I would want to have a baby girl.
This is our first child.
Okay.
So it's going to be a baby boy that will look exactly like me.
No. A baby girl. And she would look exactly like me.
Anyway, I'm coming. Meanwhile, you get me something.
Still a baby girl?
No.
A baby girl.
A boy. A boy.
I'm so happy.
Take. Use it on her.
Hope she will not die.
She will not die. However, she will be aware of your activities, but she'll be unable to speak up. But with time, she'll become abnormal.
Thank you, my lord. I am ready to do this. I know it's very hard for me, and I'm ready to do anything to make more money. But she's all I have. If she dies, who is going to enjoy the money with me?
she will not die. Neither will she get well. If she dies, you are in trouble. If she gets well, you are in trouble. You need to keep her at home. Give her everything that she needs. She can as well get a house help who will look after her. And you will make sure that that house help will never render any help that will lead to her recovery. Then your money will flow in quantum.
Thank you very much, my lord. Oh. It is not easy getting out of poverty. Thank you.
Go and enjoy your wealth.
People lost for money and power and the things of this world.
But my daughter, I don't understand. What do we call this one now?
I don't know, Mama. I'm in pains, Mama. Please, I need to leave this village as soon as possible, Mama.
Leave the village? Why not go to the medical center here? And see if they will give you drugs. If you leave, what will happen to the workers?
Mama, who is talking about house? I have to be alive first. I need to go and see my friend Richard. A friend of his is a medical doctor. Yes,
oh, yeah, come.
Mama, I'm in pains.
I'm in pains, Mama. I need to go. Come and pray.
You don't understand. She is pregnant for God's sake. And I didn't know. What do I do? No, I'm inside the room. I've been inside this room, worried. Will the baby die as well? I didn't tell him but I'm coming over there immediately. See you there.
The food is ready. And what have you been doing in here?
I made you shrimps with rice. Shrimp sauce. Please do come and eat. I do not want you to starve, okay?
It's okay.
Alright.
Looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Come before the food gets cold.
I was wondering if you would not return today.
My dear, I have to. My mother couldn't let me go. She said she was going to miss me. How far will the guy?
He's back. I called him. We'll go see him this weekend. But hey, I'm only doing this for you because you're my friend. I'm not usually this nice.
It's okay now. See, I will do anything you want me to do in this school to survive. As long as it's going to give me money. That money that I had, 300,000. Hey, babe, I cannot wait.
He's going to pay your school fees. And from that school fees, you'll be able to save a whole lot and send it to your mother in the village. Richie is rich. He is loaded.
Hey! Thank you in advance. Oh, hey!
Sister, what happened? What about Brother Obiora? Sister, talk to me. What is it?
Chuma, look at me. After everything I did I did for Obiora. Obiora sent me packing. Another woman will now enjoy everything.
No.
Everything I've suffered to have with him.
No, sister, he can't do that. Why must he do this to you? Sister, Papa must hear this. Papa must hear this. What is it?
Choma, I don't want Papa to hear of it, please. I don't want him to hear about it. He's going to fight him. I should have listened to Papa. I should have listened to Papa.
Stop crying. It's okay. Let's go. But you see, God, he will never go unpunished.
Oh, babe.
Chioma, what is the meaning of this?
Mama, what happened? You woke me up. When did you come back?
I came back last year. So you left the cocoyam on the fire to get burnt?
Ewo.
Eh? This don't like your time. Come back here. So you want to go and bring it down? Ije.
Mama, I'm sorry. Did you bring it down?
I left it there. It's still on the fire. You know your father will soon come back and we're yet to cook.
Mama, I'm very sorry. I didn't even know when I slept off. Mama, I just had a bad dream about sister.
What is it?
I was walking on the road when I saw sister coming back with her boss and tears in her eyes. She told me that Obiora chased her out of the house and is now staying with another woman.
What? Mbano, Obiora cannot do that to her. That reminds me. I need to call my daughter. I've been seeing her in my dreams since last week. Go and bring my phone.
Okay, Mom.
Bro, congratulations.
Thank you.
Your wife is pregnant.
What?
Pregnant?
She's pregnant?
Soon, you become a father. You're a daddy in the making. You know what that means now? You know how we do it.
I told you.
You're pregnant!
Yes, baby.
So, madam, and to you, you really need to relax yourself this time. You don't need to stress yourself out, okay? Do have enough rest so that you can deliver safely, alright?
I can improve, man.
Yeah.
I can improve, man.
That's what's up, my brother.
1 second. Mama.
Hello, Mama. Mama, good evening. I'm fine, Mama. How is Papa and Choma? Mama. What's the problem? Who's telling you that? Biko, my husband and I were living in peace. Hey, Choma. She can dream for Africa. Biko, give her the phone. Joseph the dreamer. You need to get examined for malaria.
We are fine. Biko, stop dreaming. Even if you have to dream, not this type of dream. Biko. Eh? I'm very well. How are you? Pass the phone to Mama, Biko. Mama, I've got good news for you. I am pregnant. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. Who? Choma. She wants to visit us. Oh, okay. I'll have to tell my husband. Yes, I'll have to tell him first. Yes, but get ready for Mugu. In 9 months' time. Thank you, Mama. Okay, bye-bye.
What's this now?
I don't know. I'm so scared. I used about 2 pieces of tissue in the bus while coming back. Right now I feel pains all over my body.
Don't worry. Let me call my friend here to take care of it. Sorry. Hello, Amber. Yes. No, all is not well. My girl, I don't know what's wrong with her. She's not feeling fine at all. She's been coughing and it seems there's blood coming out from her nose. Can you come right now and take care of her? Okay, you're with Obiora. Alright, no one. Once you're done, please call her. You know she means a lot to me. Okay. Alright, no one. Okay, then. You'll be here very soon. And you'll be fine.
That's good. I have not eaten anywhere else. But I would have said I was poisoned.
Poison? Who will have the guts to poison you when I'm alive? Me? It's not possible now. Don't worry, nothing will happen to you. Huh? Doctor will soon be here and he'll take good care of you. Huh? You can go in and get some rest. Once he gets here, I'll let you know.
Who knows? Anything is possible, my dear. See, I'm not going to say anything until I wait for you and I don't see you.
Don't worry, you see me, okay? Just drop my clothes there. I have my other things there, so it would be a very good excuse for me to come out by weekend.
Cool.
Okay, let me take your back inside. Okay.
Remember, weekend. If I don't see you, I'm going to seize your box.
Don't worry. You don't trust me. I be your babe. You don't see me now. Don't worry.
I don't trust you. But wait, I don't understand. How can your sister ask you to go to the house and cook for her husband when she's not there?
My sister.
I mean, if her work is taking her time, she could resign, you know. Unless she wants you to take her husband from her.
What do you mean?
I'm not like that now. You know me now. I'm not like that. You.
Hi, girls.
Money, you're welcome. Funke, meet my brother Naso. Also, my girlfriend Funke. The one I told you we slept together, remember?
Funke, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Babes, let me go, okay?
I'll call you.
Let me see how.
All right. You're back. Oh, why don't you give me a hug?
No, so, hug again. Why did you start this hug of again?
My sister Chioma wants to visit us next week, but I told her I need to hear from you first. So, what do you have to say?
Sorry. What did you say?
Don't tell me you are still thinking of that guy that died owing you. I have told you you have to let go. You have to forget about him. He's dead and gone.
It's okay. What did you say? It's okay, I've forgotten about him. What did you say? It's okay, honey.
Chioma wants to visit us next week. But I told her I need to hear from you. Like I said earlier, I need your approval before she comes.
Baby, she can't come now. You can see the way things are scattered. Let my business improve first. Okay?
It's okay. You are shedding weight by the day and I do not like it. This is not the Obi I used to know. This is not my Obi Orao.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
I'm no longer enjoying you, so you need to come back to yourself.
And it's okay. You know what? Get ready, we're going for a party next week.
A party? Now you're talking. So tell me all about this party.
My friend's place.
Okay. Which means I'm going to change my hair and I'm also going to get some new clothes.
I have all the money. Like, can we go to bed first?
Of course, yes.
And then tomorrow we'll talk about it more.
I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I love you so much. Thank you, baby.
Seriously? Why are you keeping me here today?
Baby, you're not going to die. You're not going to die. My friend has given you drugs already. What else do you want?
But I'm getting worse, baby. My blood is not finished.
Blood will not finish. You still have blood. Relax. See, I have a very important meeting I need to attend. So Madden, I will take care of you, huh?
Richard, please. I can see death everywhere. Please save me. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
There's no death anywhere. See, I'm looking around. I'm looking just like you're looking. No one ever for death. Relax. Huh? Nothing will happen to you. You know me. Anything it will take to make sure you're on your feet again, I will do it. Huh? Trust me. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You've taken drugs. Drugs take time to work. Okay? Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Gain the world, lose your soul. The blessings of the Lord make it rich, and added no sorrow.
Babe, babe, see this weekend, it's for you. You're going to enjoy. You thank me later.
Thank you for now first, eh? Hi. You know that I need help in this my academic pursuit. Thank you.
What are friends for? Here he comes. Hi. Here's my friend Oka. Oka, meet my baby.
Brother Richard, is this you?
My friend, stop there. Do I know you?
How do you mean, do you know? It's Oka. Did I change? Oh, Makiham police. Oh, we go. It's Oka.
Do you guys know each other from somewhere?
Yes. Brother Richard is from my village.
Who is from your village? What nonsense is she talking about?
Oka, stop this embarrassment now. Stop what? What are you talking about? This is Brother Richard I told you I was helping his mother in the village.
Whose mother in the village? Are you drunk? Are you the one who will help my mother, or I'll help your own mother? You know how many mothers I've helped in this life? Huh? Get out. Get out of my house.
Brother Richard!
Talk to her.
If you touch me again, call your families. Get out of my house.
Look at her. He said, get out of my house. Pick up one.
Listen to me.
Go now.
I do not want to see you or this lady here in my house again. Leave and don't call me again. Get out.
Imagine this girl though.
Join her. I said, get out. Get out!
My phone.
I'm going out for a meeting and I'll come back very late. Make sure you stay in your room, don't go out.
Go and don't even come back. Don't come back again. A wicked man. Where's my phone?
You and I know very well you don't need the phone. Even if you're talking to somebody on the phone, nobody's going to hear what you're saying. What eggs do you want me to buy for you when I'm coming back?
I don't want anything. Don't buy me anything. Go. You're a wicked man. Go. Don't buy me anything.
So you don't want me to buy anything?
I don't want. Go. Where's my phone?